Hi everybody, my name is Maddie and welcome to today's Ballet Basic Spring Break at Children's Museum Houston, funded in part by the City of Houston through Houston Arts Alliance. Today I'll be showing you some new and fun ballet moves. You'll probably need a big open space to dance around in, but if you don't let that discourage you from trying out what you can. And don't forget that before we begin, you should always stretch before you dance. Alright, for today I'm going to be showing you 3 basic ballet turns. They're going to be Chaînés, Piqué, and Pirouette. Let's start with Chaînés. So for Chaînés, you're going to get into your preparation position. You're going to have your feet turned out and you're going to bring your right leg forward. You're going to have an entendu, so that means your foot is pointed. Then you're going to have your right arm come in front of you like you're holding your beach ball again, and your left arm is going to be out to the side in second position. And then you're going to step out on your right leg and you're going to go on releve. So that's on the ball of your foot. And you're going to bring your left foot to your right foot and have your legs come together like this. So you're taking 2 steps, 2 tiny little steps to make a full rotation. Let me show you again. So prep, step out, and turn. Let's show you one more time. Prep, step out, and turn. And then chaîné means a chain. So usually chaînés are done with multiple turns. Usually dancers go straight in a line or they go in a circle. I'll just show you straight in a line because that's a lot easier. So you're going to prep, step out, turn, turn, turn. And something very important that you need to keep in mind while you're turning is to spot. So when you're prepping and you look to the side, you're going to find a spot on the wall and you're going to focus on it. And you're going to try to keep looking at that same spot. So I'm going to show you this way. So I'm going to look directly in front of me and I'm going to turn, and as soon as I'm about to make that full rotation, I'm going to whip my head around and keep trying to look at that same spot. So for your spine, you're going to turn, whip your head and look straight into the same spot. And that prevents you from getting dizzy while you're turning. So let's try the chaînés again while we're spotting. So prep, turn, spot, spot, spot. And that's a little hard, but make sure you keep practicing. And then we're going to move on to our piqués next. So for our piqués, we're going to do the same prep position like this. And you're going to bring your left foot to the knee of your right leg. So it's going to come in the middle, your foot's going to be pointed. And your ankle needs to be forward. So make sure you're not going like this or like that. Make sure your leg is straight up and down and your leg is turned out. So your knee needs to be to the side as much as possible. Make sure you don't overdo it though, because you don't want to hurt your legs. So I'm going to show you the piqué. Piqué, piqué, piqué. And for your piqués, you're bending in between each turn. Unlike the chaînés, you're just going straight up and down, you're turning. Your piqués, you're taking a little pause in between your plie so you can pick up your leg again. And piqué means to pick up. So I'll show you one more time. Piqué, bend, piqué, bend. And make sure each time that your leg comes off the ground, your foot is pointed. And with your arms for this one, you want to have them open and then close again. Open, close again. With the chaînés, I usually just keep my arms here in first position like you're holding your beach ball. So I'll show you the chaînés again and then I'll show you the piqués. So prep, chaîné. Let's go back. Piqué. So let's do 3 piqués. Piqué, piqué, piqué. And if you feel a little brave, then you can try doing a chaîné and then a piqué. Chaîné, piqué, chaîné, piqué. All right, awesome. You guys are doing great. Now we can move on to our last turn. This one is the hardest one because you're not going to be traveling. You're going to stay in the same place and you're going to use your balance a lot more. So this is a pirouette. You're going to start here in 5th position. Then you're going to come out. with your foot in tendu. So make sure your foot is pointed, your arms are out. And then you're going to prep, plie in a fourth position, an open fourth position, and have your arm holding your right arm holding your beach ball again, and your left arm is out, like this. And then you're going to, I'm not going to turn yet, you're just going to go straight up and down, hold, and land. So when you land, your left leg is forward, your right leg is back, and your right leg is straight, your left leg is bent slightly, your right arm is by your head, and your left arm is out to the side. So you're going to start in fifth, tendu, prep, straight up and down, and land. So you want to practice that a few times before you try turning, just to see if you can hold your balance. I know it's a little hard, and I haven't danced in a long time, so just give me a little chance so I can show you without falling over. Alrighty. Almost perfect. Let's try one more time. There we go. So you make sure when you're turning, you want to keep your leg turned out. And you're going to have your right foot to your left knee. And you turn, and then you land. And with more practice and experience, you can start doing double pirouettes, triple pirouettes. Sometimes people can do like 5 or 6. I could never do more than 3, but if you keep practicing, maybe you will too. So let's go over our turns one more time. This is our chaînés. This is our piqués. And lastly, our pirouettes. That's all the time we have for today, but you guys did an awesome job, and thank you for dancing with me today at Children's Museum Houston. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more awesome videos and to keep practicing. And if you post any of your dance moves, make sure to tag us on social media. My name is Maddie Torres, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!